Welcome to Riddhi Vinayak Multi-Speciality Hospital. Constructed in Nalasopara West, 3 kilometers away from railway station, which is spread over 5 lakh square feet.
Welcome to
As I was telling that at least 1% is the sick population load of the community. So for each 1 lakh of population, a 100-bedded hospital is required. And if Nayagaon to Virar segment is around 20 lakh population, it has to have a bed strength of around 2000 beds to meet the requirement of the community. And for that there is no tertiary hospital. So I feel this area requires a big hospital for catering the needs of the public in time and emergency. Secondly, the distance by road is at least 15 kilometers outside the inhabitation. People are living in the coastal areas and the road is beyond the creeks. So people used to travel around 50 kilometers to reach the highway or to reach Mumbai proper. That is not possible for a very serious patient. So therefore again there has to be hospital here to cater the need.
Nothing would have been possible for Dr. Venkat Goyal without the blessings and support of his father, Mr. Shivrao Goyal, who in his late 80s looked after each and every work of construction at the time when Dr. Venkat Goyal was busy in treating patients, an educated person like Mr. Shivrao Goyal and the visionary Dr. RVMH is a 200-bed multi-speciality hospital established to provide a complete range of outpatient and indoor patient diagnostic and treatment services. RVMH became functional on 24th October 2012 on the special occasion of Dussehra. Equipped with world-class technology, RVMH is an institute set to match the highest global standards of healthcare. Backed by respected leading medical experts, RVMH is committed to provide excellent medical care to all the patients who entrust their lives in its care. Dr. Venkat Goyal, MD DM Cardiology, the founder, envisioned creating a not-for-profit top hospital in Mumbai, India, where the poor also have access to advanced medical care in an atmosphere of love and compassion. Pharmacy and other included services: nephrology, gynecology, orthopedic, rheumatology, urology, ophthalmology, dietitian, general surgery, neurology, ENT surgeon, chest physician, pediatric, radiology, oncology, gastroenterology, anesthetic, thyroidectomy, and many more services.
This is the pathology department of Riddhi Vinayak Multi-Speciality Hospital. Here we have departments like hematology, biochemistry, cytology, then ABG section, then hormonal assay section, and microbiology where we do serology section. For biochemistry, we have two machines. One is semi-automated and one is fully automated. Fully automated is EM200, which is of Transisia company. Each and every investigation of biochemistry is done, which is fully automated. No manual intervention is needed. The sensitivity and specificity of the test done in EM200 is very high. The reagents used are very sensitive, so the reports generated are very sensitive and accurate. So urine, stool examination is also done and microscopy is also done. Riddhi Vinayak Multi-Speciality Hospital gives us the advantage of fully automated EM200 machine, which is generating very highly accurate and sensitive reports.
आपके दांतों में सड़न है, दांतों में सड़न होना बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है। ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन जो होती है उनको ये दांतों में सड़न होती है और इसका इलाज दो तरफा होता है। पहले तो जो दांतों की सड़न है जो नस तक नहीं पहुंची हुई होती है उसको फिलिंग द्वारा हम भरते हैं, जिसमें कंपोजिट आता है, जिसमें सीमेंट आता है, जिसमें चांदी आता है। दूसरी चीज़ है अगर नस तक वो पहुँची होगी सड़न तो उसका रूट कनाल ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं और रूट कनाल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हमारे रिद्धि विनायक हॉस्पिटल में हम लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करते हैं जिसका नाम है एंडो रोटरी डिवाइस, जिसे हम आपका रूट कनाल करते हैं, उससे आपके सक्सेस काफ़ी बढ़ जाते हैं। और रिद्धि विनायक हॉस्पिटल में हम इसी टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करते हैं।
पेन मीन्स फिजियोथेरेपी, पर पेन होता है तो जनरली पेशेंट बैक पेन, सर्वाइकल पेन, लंबर पेन, नी पेन एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा के लिए पेशेंट फिजियोथेरेपी के लिए रिकमेंड होते हैं। लेकिन कई सारे पेशेंट हैं जो फिजियोथेरेपी को समझते हैं कि इससे पेन ठीक नहीं होता है, लेकिन उसमें भी बहुत सारी कंडीशन है, जैसे कि सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस। वो एक कंडीशन है जो खाली फिजियोथेरेपी से ही ठीक होता है। अगर उसके लिए ऑपरेशन के लिए जाओगे आप तो कॉम्प्लिकेशन है कि उसमें पैरालिसिस के चांसेस है और ओनली 5% चांसेस है पेशेंट का सक्सेसफुली ठीक होने का आफ्टर सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस आफ्टर सर्जरी। और दूसरी कंडीशन है टोटल नी रिप्लेसमेंट। उसमें क्या होता है कि पेशेंट सर्जन एडवाइस करते हैं कि गो फॉर फिजियोथेरापिस्ट, लेकिन पेशेंट क्या करते हैं कि फिजियोथेरापी नहीं लेते हैं, उसके बाद उनका चलना फिरना ही बंद हो जाता है। दिस इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ फिजियोथेरापी आफ्टर TKR, सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस एंड अदर कंडीशन इज फ्रोजन शोल्डर। फ्रोजन शोल्डर मीन्स बहुत सारे पेशेंट ऐसा सोचते हैं कि घर पे ठीक हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इतना मेजर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत करने के बाद भी, ऑर्थोपेडिक गोलियां खाने के बाद भी, ऑर्थोपेडिक रिकमेंड करते हैं बहुत सारी पेन किलर, तो भी ठीक नहीं होता है। आफ्टर ऑल फिजियोथेरापी से ही ठीक होता है वो कंडीशन। इन रिद्धि विनायक हॉस्पिटल देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शन फॉर फिजियोथेरापी, लॉट्स ऑफ मशीन्स ओवर हियर। सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस के लिए ट्रैक्शन, short wave diathermy, and the other machines are muscle stimulator with TENS, infrared radiation. All machines are important for pain and other conditions.
RVMH is also equipped with 24/7 oxygen supply and 24/7 power backup. And as mentioned by Dr. Venkat Goyal, that increasing number of population near Nalasopara segment need more and more tertiary care services. Hence, RVMH provides 20 bedded ICCU and IRCU for patients in 2 critical conditions.
We started this tertiary care multi-specialty hospital over 5 acres of land, which has got few salient features. We have built around 3 lakh square feet of space, and we can expand up to 10 lakh square feet of floor space. And at the moment it is 4th floor in height, which can expand to 10th floor in height. And there are a floor space index of 1000 square feet of built up area to each bed, and our inside area of around 150 square feet per bed. We are already fully functional with 250 bed and can expand to 400 bed. And other few features which I have tried to incorporate by building this hospital was to see that we have a motorized van by which hospital ambulance services can be provided to each floor right up to the terrace where our future helipad will be built. For the time being, we have plans for 3 helipad space on our front gardens, whereby which we are planning, which will be used for mainly organ transplant. So apart from all the major departments which all major hospitals have, we are striving for few more important services like ECMO, in which we are a pioneer in the country, and we provide ECMO services. We are soon going to have an organ transplant center, and we are planning for stem cell therapy.